Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm just going to be doing something really quick and a super natural look because I'm going to church. So I don't like to do like something dramatic and crazy. And not saying that they won't like that, it's just my preference. I don't want to speak for other church goers, but I like to do something quick and natural, and plus mainly because it's really fast and I'm really running, I'm running out the door to go to church. Alright guys, so let's get started. So I have all my makeup in my bag, which is really annoying because I was like doing something, so I brought all my makeup with me. And I hate just taking everything out, putting it back. It's really irritating. Okay, so first things first, my Beauty Bakery baking oil. I love so much. Alright, so that's all over. Okay guys, so I did my eyebrows and let's do the rest of my face. So with this look, I don't do shadow. And I think that's the best way. It looks super, super natural. So, if you know what I'm saying. Now let's do some foundation. Do you remember? So I hope everybody had a great weekend. My weekend consisted of trying to get black pepper off of my daughter's pasta because she doesn't like black pepper, and I accidentally put black pepper in all the pasta, so that was my weekend. It was okay. So that's the foundation. Lately I've been doing concealer under my foundation, and I kind of like it like that. I'm becoming a fan of that, and it's kind of my thing now. Bake a little bit. So now, while that's baking, I'm going to put some liner on. Liner is from Morphe. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to wipe that away. Daughter is in here if you guys are hearing little tiny voices. That's my daughter. Okay, now highlighter. Now, of course, I'm gonna do some lip. Alright, we're going to finish it off with our Urban Decay setting spray. And that should make it last for at least 12 hours. And you know how churches go. They like to go over. But that's my church look. You know, keeping it nice and simple for the Lord. Like, that's my church look. Keeping it nice and simple. And looks super natural. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload. And also, if you haven't ever commented, I like to hear you guys' thoughts and ideas and suggestions. So please comment under my videos. Also, hit the thumbs up button. That'll be awesome. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye!